Dear students, today we will start our economics subject, but our topic is the difference between normal goods and inferior goods. Now we will read with the help of schedule and with the help of curve what is the difference between normal goods and inferior goods. We know very well about normal and inferior. When our income is good, on that time we are purchasing normal goods. When our income is not good, our income decreases, on that time we are going to prefer our inferior goods. But according to situation, our choices are different. But now we will read here what is the difference between normal goods and inferior goods. In front of you I have written difference between normal goods and inferior goods is based on the preference of a consumer develops with level of his income changes. We will say that when our consumers are going to prefer these types of goods and services, with the help of that our inferior and normal goods are increasing and decreasing. But important part is given here, when level of his income changes, when consumers income is going to change, in that time if income is increases, then demand of normal good will increase. If income is decreases, then demand of normal goods is decreases. Dear students, we have read two types of normal and inferior goods. Two types of goods we are going to read now, but on the board, one by one I will explain you both topics. So first of all, we will explain first one about normal goods, because in step by step only we can able to read. But difference between both normal and inferior we will complete in this topic, but one by one. So first one, our topic is an effect of change in income. We will read effect of change in income in normal goods. First topic is a normal and second topic is an inferior goods. So once again we have to come first one about the normal goods. Dear students, I have told before that when income is going to increase, with the help of that we are going to increase our normal goods. But when our income is going to decrease, on that time we are decreasing our demand. With the help of this curve and table, I will explain when our demand is going to increase and when our demand is going to decrease. So first of all, you have to come on the first topic, with increase in income. First topic is given in front of you, with increase in income. When our income will increase of an individual, the demand of normal goods rises. Once again listen, with increase in income of an individual, the demand of normal goods rises and the curve shifts to its right. Once again listen, when our demand is going to increase, when our income is going to increase. That's why it's the first condition, when our income will increase, on that time our demand will also increase. That's why it is a very important part of that. Normal goods, once again listen, effect of change in income, normal goods. With increase in income of an individual, the demand of normal goods rises and the curve shifts to the right. This is the definition. with the help of this sign we can able to show how we can able to identify it with the help of arrow. So dear students, in front of you I have written y, arrow is showing upward, means y is the income. When our income will increase, arrow is going upward, means income is increasing, then our demand will also increase. That's why when income will increase, then demand will also increase. That's why we have to explain it with the help of table and curve. So here see, when price is 10 rupees, our demand is of quantity is 4. But when our income is increases, price is the same, but quantity of demand we had increased. Same thing we will explain with the help of this curve. Listen, when we are going to make a curve, we are explaining with the help of axis. This is the x-axis, and second one is the y-axis. On the x-axis, we have represented quantity, and y-axis we have denoted price. With the help of price is the same here on the both places, and once again price is the same here in the curve also. Behalf of that, we are going to explain. When price is the 10, on that time our quantity demand is 4. Our demand is 4. But when increase in income, price is the same, but our quantitative demand is increases. Means we had increased the value of quantity. 8 unit now we are going to utilize. With the help of this graph, we can able to show arrow is denoting upward, means right way. It's right. Means our increase in demand. With the help of that, we can say increase in demand. With the help of this graph, we can able to know. So once again, you have to see and be careful about it. Next topic is given in front of you. Second one. First one is with increase in income. Second is when decrease in income. With decrease in income, when our income will decrease, then with decrease in income of the buyer, okay, of the buyer is demanded of normal goods fall and the demand curve shifts to left. Once again listen, with decrease in income of the buyer, his demand of normal goods falls and the demand curve shifts to left. With the help of this, we can able to represent. See here, when demand income is decreasing, on that time our demand is also going down, means decreasing. With the help of this arrow, we can able to represent. Our income is going low, then our demand will also decrease. With the help of this table, we can able to represent. See, when price is the 10, on that time quantity we are utilizing 4, but after that price is of 10 same, but we had quantitative demand is 2. Means from 4 to 2 we are now utilizing. Means this is the decrease in demand. Same thing we will explain with the help of this graph. First we will make x-axis and after that y-axis. On x-axis we have represented quantity and y-axis price. With the help of that, see, price is 10 rupees, on that time quantity 4 we are utilizing. So when price is 10 rupees, we are utilizing 4 units, but when price is 10 and quantity demand is 2, with decrease in demand, then same thing when it will be effect to here, then we had made with the help of yellow chalk in front of you. Means from 4 unit to 2 unit we had came here. With the help of this explanation, with the help of this arrow, you can know that decrease in demand. Means our demand is decreasing. First our demand is a 4 unit. Now our demand is a 2 unit. Arrow is showing shift this type left on. Means arrow is showing to left side, means our demand is decreasing. With the help of two table, we can able to know how our demand will increase and how our demand will decrease. Now our next topic is about inferior goods. This is about normal goods. After that, same video in same lecture, you will see next topic is here normal and next one is inferior. Student, just I have told you before 1 minute about effect of change in income of normal goods. Now our second topic is inferior goods. This is the topic, difference between normal goods and inferior goods. Before 5 minutes, if you want to rewind, once again go and rewind and see. I have told about normal goods with the help of schedule and curve, means help of graph. Once again we will know what is the effect of change in income when inferior goods is here. With the help of that we will know how inferior goods are increasing and when inferior goods are decreasing. So dear students, when our income is increasing, on that time our inferior goods are decreasing. But when our income level is going to decrease, on that time inferior goods quality, otherwise demand is going to increase. Same thing we will know with the help of definition and with the help of table and graph. So in front of you I have written here, first one, effect of change in income, inferior goods. First one is with rise in income. When income will rise of a consumer demand for inferior goods fall. Once again listen, when our income will arise with rise in income, when our income will rise, on that time inferior goods fall. This is the important concept. You have to listen and understood. Once again listen. With the rise of income of consumer, demand for inferior goods fall. When our demand is going to low, when our income is better. So once again we can say, when we are getting good income, on that time we are not using inferior goods. That's why with the help of that we can able to know when our income will go up. जब हमारी इनकम बढ़ेगी तो हम इंफीरियर गुड्स की डिमांड को कम कर देंगे, क्योंकि आप सबको पता है जब हमारे पास इनकम अधिक होती है तो हम अच्छे सामानों का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, गुड क्वालिटी सामान इस्तेमाल करते हैं, घटिया सामान कभी इस्तेमाल नहीं करते. That's why that one is showing with the help of that when our income will increase, that time this demand will decrease, inferior goods demand will decrease. Same thing once again, with rise in income of consumer, demand of inferior goods falls. This is the difference. With the help of this table and this curve, we can able to know. So see here, when our price is 10 rupees, on that time quantity we are using 4. But when our income is increased, अगर हमारी इनकम बढ़ जाती है तो, या इनकम अच्छी होती है तो, प्राइस इज 10 रुपीज बट क्वांटिटी वी आर यूजिंग 2 only. because it is a inferior good. When our demand will go low, means our income is a good. With the help of that, we can say our decrease in demand in inferior goods. With the help of this table, we can know. And next one is the schedule. How we will represent it on the schedule. Same thing should be here. After that, how we will represent it on curve. So listen how we will show it on the curve. First we will represent x-axis quantity and y-axis price. Price we have denoted 10 here, but units 2 and 4. First we will see when price is 10 rupees, quantity units we are using 4. So when price is 10, we are using 4 units. But next time, when price is 10 and quantity is same, not there, it decreases, then we are utilizes 2 here. Means with the help of this graph and this arrow, we can able to explain this is coming downward. Means demand D1, DD change to D2. Okay? With the help of that, we can say decrease in demand. Decrease in demand is the only one way. With the help of that, when income will increase. When our income will increase, the demand of inferior good will go down. We can't able to use these types of things because we have enough income. अगर हमारे पास अच्छी इनकम है तो हम खराब या घटिया सामानों का इस्तेमाल नहीं करेंगे. क्यों? Because we have an income. We will use good qualities things. That's why when income is going up, demand is going down. Same thing we have to follow in the second process. When with fall in income, second reason is given when income will go down. अब इनकम कम हो जाती है हमारी तो हम क्या करते हैं? When income will go down of a consumer of inferior goods rises. It is a very important thing where I have underlined. See, with fall in income of a consumer of inferior goods rises. When our income will go down, then our demand will increase of inferior goods. जब हमारे पास इनकम कम हो जाएगी तो inferior goods की डिमांड बढ़ जाएगी, क्योंकि हम ज़्यादा महंगा सामान या नॉर्मल सामान इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते, तो हम उसी सामान का इस्तेमाल करेंगे क्योंकि हमारे पास इनकम कम हो गई है. In case of that, with fall in income of consumers of inferior goods rises, and the consumer is not in a position to afford superior goods. अब कंज्यूमर उस स्थिति में नहीं है कि वो अच्छे क्वालिटी का सामान इस्तेमाल कर सके या सुपीरियर सामानों का इस्तेमाल कर सके. क्यों उस स्थिति में नहीं है? क्योंकि उसकी इनकम अच्छी नहीं है. अगर हमारी इनकम अच्छी होती है तो हम महंगे से महंगे सामान का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. हमारी इनकम अच्छी नहीं होती है तो हम अच्छे सामान को इस्तेमाल नहीं कर पाते और हमारी क्वालिटी डाउन करनी पड़ती है, क्योंकि हम इच्छुक ही हैं लेकिन हमारे पास इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट नहीं है, हमारे पास इतने पैसे नहीं हैं. वी कांट एबल टू परचेज, वी कांट एबल टू यूटिलाइज दिस टाइप्स ऑफ डिमांड. दैट्स व्हाई डिमांड विल इंक्रीज ऑफ inferior goods. Afford superior goods, so he will demand more of inferior goods. इसलिए inferior goods की सामान और डिमांड को बढ़ा देगा. क्यों? With fall in income of consumer of inferior goods rises, and the consumer is not in a position to afford superior goods. This is the very important topic. Okay, in the position of afford superior goods, so he will demand more of inferior goods. Then our demand will increase. Why our demand will increase? Because we don't have sufficient income. That's why our demand will go in the favor of inferior goods. Inferior goods का डिमांड उस समय क्या होगा, बढ़ जाएगा. क्यों बढ़ जाएगा? क्योंकि हमारे पास इनकम है ही नहीं. Here, when income will go down, with the help of Y we can donate income. इनकम को हम कैसे प्रदर्शित करते हैं? Y के द्वारा. जब हमारी इनकम नीचे जाएगी, मतलब इनकम कम होगी, तो इंफीरियर गुड्स का डिमांड हम बढ़ा देंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारी व्यवस्था ही नहीं है कि हम महंगे सामानों का इस्तेमाल कर सके. दैट्स व्हाई वी विल रिड्यूस इट एंड वी हैव टू यूटिलाइज मोर इंफीरियर गुड्स. Once again listen, with fall in income of a consumers of inferior goods rises at the consumer is not in a position to afford superior goods, so that he will demand more of inferior goods. With the help of this we can able to show when our income is going down, with the help of that we can know that inferior goods demand will go up. With the help of that table we can able to know. So here price is at 10 rupees and quantity 4 we are using. But if our income will decrease, हमारे पास कोई इनकम ना हो, तो price is at 10 rupees, but inferior good quantity we had increased here. inferior सामान का हमने यूटिलाइजेशन बढ़ा दिया. क्यों बढ़ा दिया? क्योंकि हमारी अर्थव्यवस्था नहीं है कि हम अच्छी क्वालिटी या महंगे सामानों को खरीद सकें. तो अच्छे को नहीं खरीद सकते तो सस्ता सामान हमें लेना पड़ेगा. बिकॉज वी कांट एबल टू कंट्रोल आवर डिमांड, वी कांट एबल टू स्टॉप आवर डिमांड, वी हैव टू कंट्रोल इट इन अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर इनकम. इससे हमें अपनी इनकम के अनुसार चलाना होगा. तो हम अपने इंफीरियर गुड्स की सप्लाई को क्या करेंगे? बढ़ा देंगे. सेम थिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ ग्राफ वी कैन एबल टू एक्सप्लेन. लिसन, with the help of this graph we will know. Here we have denoted price and x-axis quantity. When our price is at 10 rupees, on that time we are purchasing 4 units. जब दाम 10 रुपए था हम 4 यूनिट सामान इस्तेमाल करते थे, लेकिन दाम अभी वही है, प्राइस लेवल सेम है, लेकिन हमारे पास इनकम नहीं है, तो हमने यूनिट्स की संख्या को क्या किया? बढ़ा दिया. इंफीरियर गुड्स को हम अधिक इस्तेमाल करने लगे. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारे पास अभी पर्याप्त इनकम नहीं है. वी कांट एबल टू यूटिलाइज मोर एंड मोर. हम अधिक सामानों को इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते, महंगे सामानों को इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते, तो कम से कम इंफीरियर गुड्स को हम इस्तेमाल करें. दिस इज द प्रोविजन, दिस इज द एक्सप्लेनेशन विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस शेड्यूल एंड ग्राफ. बिहाफ ऑफ दैट only one motive we want to explain you. This is the important difference between normal goods and inferior goods. So inferior goods are also increase in demand and decrease in demand according to price level. When price will increase means when our income will increase, the demand will decrease of inferior goods. But in second condition, when our income will go down, when our income will decrease, on that time demand of inferior good will increase. With the help of schedule we are representing it in front of you. This is the only one main motive explaining in front of you to understood you difference between both. So dear students, make a note, sort out it and write it. This is a very important topic. It is for you only. Make it and subscribe my channel. Wait for next video in YouTube link. And you have to share it also in your nearest friends. It is for you only. Thank you for listening my voice and subscribing. Okay, thank you.